Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we will start our automation videos with scraping data from competitors. To do that, we will need an extension, a Google Chrome extension called Bardeen AI extension. There is many tools that can do the same thing, and we tried many of them, but I found that this one is the best one to scrape data using AI. We click on the first link and we click on add to Chrome extension. We need to install this extension. We'll link it with our Google. Continue. It will pop up a page, launch Bardeen. And ask us for personal or work. We'll choose personal. Scrape websites. This tool, of course, is a paid tool, but they gave us 7 days of free trial to use. You can use the 7 days. After that, you cancel your subscription. Or if you want to have a long-term work, of course, I want you to pay this tool because it's very useful. We will put our card informations here. They will not charge us anything for the first 7 days. After that, I will cancel my subscription. You can do the same thing. Now we all is set. We will go to Facebook and we will choose a Facebook page that they work as we want to work to. We will check the page if they are posting high quality images without logos, of course, without any text on the images. We click on the extension. We click on scrape, create, new template, create on Facebook, Facebook posts by Bardeen, extend. Here is the template provided by the Bardeen extension. They help us to scrape all this data, but we don't need the author and the author URL, so we will delete those two and save template. Now we will rename our template test 1. We will click here the number of the list items, how many posts. We will tell them to ask us. Then we will click on the plus icon and we will search for Google Sheet. Add rows to Google Sheet. Click here, ask me. Then for the tab, ask me again. And for the table, previous action, and we save and run. Now we will save the template and run it at the same time. We will choose 30 posts as a test to scrape. We will choose the Google Sheet. We will I already created one Google Sheet page, call it scraping test 1, and I will search for it here. scraping. I will refresh. Scraping. Here we are, our page. Next, it will ask us where sheet, the sheet 1, and there is the table of data we will scrape. We'll click next. Now the automation is working, and you can see the page is scrolling from up to down. I recommend you to not move your mouse while doing this. Just still until the automation done. It's done now. Let's click on view, and here we are. All the data we want from the competitor page is here on our Google Sheet. The page URL, the content of the text, as you can see here, and the link of the image. And here you can see the interactions on the post, the likes. Here you can select only the posts with a high number of engagement, or keep it that way. Here's the comments and the shares. All the informations we want on this page, and I will show you in the next video how to use these informations to create bulk posts. This was all about scraping data from competitors, and see you in the next video.